Good morning all, welcome to Wild Bunch. So today it's Saturday 20th of November. Time now is around 6:37. So it's not any nearby location to Hyderabad that we are visiting today. Today we are heading towards Gandikota, which is also known as the Grand Canyon of India. So this is approximately 400 kilometers from Hyderabad. The plan is to reach there by noon and have a lunch. We have booked a package for camping. So the plan is to have some adventures. I have the entire team. You can see in the background. We are currently at Food Pyramid. We have stopped over for breakfast. We will have a quick breakfast from here, have some photo sessions, and from here we will be heading to Gandikota. So that's the plan. So let me introduce you to our riders. That is Vipin on his GS310. Ramesh.
Hey, hello. What's up?
Prabhu. Gopi.
Sandeep.
Ashok. Narendra.
Hi, Narendra.
Pranit, our marshal. And that's Rohit.
Hi.
So that's the lineup. So we have passed Nandyal, and from here I think another 50 kilometers to the camping spot in Gandikota. We have exited the highway and entered the village roads. So great Saturday so far. So the plan is to have lunch from the camping site, which they would have arranged by now, and then proceed with the adventure activities over a high tea, and then towards night there will be bonfire, and we can spend some good time with the bikers. Got a call from Pranit. Looks like he lost his GoPro. It fell off. Oh, there was a checkpost there where cops stopped us. So the basic inquiries they did, like where are you going, where are you coming from and all. And he claims that he had the GoPro till that point of time, but after that once he crossed, it fell off somewhere. So he is searching for it. So I'll rather wait here till the other guys join. So I've been waiting for Pranit and Narendra, who are searching for the lost GoPro, and looks like they haven't found it yet. So I thought of going back and join them. Maybe an extra set of eyes will be helpful. Finally got
one GoPro to another GoPro.
so mission accomplished and joined them in the search, and in I think max 3-4 minutes I found the GoPro lying inside some bushes. Anyways, it's working, but the lens has broken off, which can be replaced. The river is flooded because all those water coming from Tirupati, I think that is getting the river flooded. So we have reached Gandikota. The camping site is another 2 kilometers from here. Winding roads. What more a rider need? I would have seen video clips of Tirupati getting flooded. So Tirupati is pretty close by to this place, and you can see the floods, after effects of Tirupati getting flooded is reflected here. I am actually wading through the waters, if you can see. That was a crazy water crossing. We have one more coming up. I need to take a right from here. Yep. I see boats of lots of adventure activities, rappelling, cycling, rock climbing, trekking, and that's our camping site. Lovely. Look at the view. Parking? Let me give you a quick view of this place. Okay, I'll get into more visuals once I settle down. Now let me check with the reception where our tents will be pitched and the formalities, and I'll be back after that. So stay tuned for more visuals on Gandikota, the Grand Canyon of India. on our way to try out some adventures. It's rappelling time, so we'll go and check out what rappelling is all about. Oh, it started raining. Hello, good morning. We all woke up by 5 o'clock. Thought of heading back to Hyderabad at least by 7, and yeah, have a beautiful sunrise just behind me, as you can see. I will show you the setup, the tent setup that we stayed yesterday. So this is how the tents were pitched. Park our bikes right beside our tents. So yesterday we couldn't continue with the adventure activities because it started raining heavily. So they called off all the adventure activities. So we are heading towards the rappelling zone. We have the ropes across the canyon. As you can see, Prabhu is going to give the first shot. So all set, Prabhu?
All set.
So it is done. Those are the safety harness. ये कितना भी weight लेगा ना?
ये 22 kg and 22. It means 2200 kg.
2200 kg तक.
This one 2200 kg.
Oh, okay.
और इसका अलग है वायर का.
So how did you anchor this on this rock?
It's artificial anchor.
Okay.
Communication बोलते हैं. 3.6.
Oh. Oh, so this is how it goes, right?
Super.
So it's so that's Prabhu getting ready for the adventure activity, all getting all geared up. हुसैन बुलाओ उनको, सर को बुलाओ. So how was your experience, bro?
Super.
So people who come to Gandikota should definitely try this out.
Yes.
Thanks for
making it happen.
Yeah. So we have our buddies here who are trained in such adventure activities. So end of Gandikota, right? We are back again at Foot Pyramid here for lunch, and from here back to Hyderabad. So adventure activities.
Camping in thunderstorm.
Yeah,
God, that
so
was like one of a kind
we're
experience.
waiting for others to join, and once all are here, we will finish our lunch and back to our respective homes. So until then, next time, goodbye.
Ciao.